Hello everyone, welcome to ELECTROCITE. My name is Mona Lisa Sahu and in this video we will discuss about electric field, magnetic field and about electromagnetic field. Yes, that is the concept of electromagnetism. But before proceeding, I request you all please subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end so that you won't miss anything. And if you like the video, please share and give a thumbs up, so that we will get inspiration to come up with more new ideas and concepts. So first we will discuss about electric field. So here the name itself is giving the clue what it could be. So this electric term itself is suggesting that this field is related to electric charges, that is electron and proton. So from the research it has been found out that the charges, they are surrounded by one field or they create one field around themselves. That field is denoted as electric field by scientists. So scientists, they denoted this field as electric field. So it is one of their properties, the charges properties, that they are able to create this field. And these electric fields, they do have that power to attract or repel any other charges towards them. That is, they have the ability to adjust force on other charges. So mathematically, electric field is the electric force per unit charge. What this symbol indicate? That it is the vector quantity. Means it has both magnitude and direction. Because you know force has both magnitude and direction. That means electric field also having magnitude and direction. So in the last class I explained about electric charge. Now you might have get some clarity. Consider about this electron and proton. You know, like charges repel each other and unlike charges attract each other. Means when they brought closer to each other, this proton will get affected by its electric field and this electron will get affected by its electric field, and they will attract each other. This same concept will hold for both, for that magnetic field and electromagnetic field also. Next come to its type. So there are two types of electric field. One is static, another one is dynamic. Static means what? If something is at rest. From this we can guess that these charges might be at rest. So yes, in static electric field, the charges are at rest. And if the charges are at rest, they are not changing their position with respect to time. That means these electric fields are also not changing with respect to time. That means they are time invariant. Such electric fields are known as static electric field. And study of this static electric field is known as electrostatic. So this is electrostatic. Now come to the points that are associated with this electric field. So these are those points. So whatever I discussed, I made points out of that. And if you want, you can add some extra points from that discussion. Now come to magnetic field. So what is this magnetic field? So is this only present in magnet, or there are some other sources which can also create magnetic field? So before proceeding, I would like to ask you all one question. You all have heard about Earth magnetic field or geomagnetic field. So my question is, what will happen if Earth magnetic field won't exist anymore? So if you know the answer, then very good. And if you don't know the answer, then please Google the answer, because it is one of the things you must know. So to explain about this magnetic field, again I will take the help of these charges only. I won't take the help of a magnet. Here also I will take the help of these charges. And these charges only play a very important role in electrical world while creating a magnetic field or electromagnetic field. And here we will see how. All the time I won't denote them as electron and proton separately, as as they are the electric charges. So overall I am denoting them as Q. So it has been seen that when this charge is at motion, along with electric field, it is surrounded by one more field. That field is known as magnetic field, and which is more stronger than this electric field. Here also there are two types of magnetic field: static, dynamic. So what is static magnetic field? When the charge is at uniform motion, means the motion will be uniform, then the magnetic field which will be created is static magnetic field, is denoted as static magnetic field. And from the term static you can clear that it will be independent of time. And not only that, this electric field and magnetic field will also independent of each other, means when the charge is at uniform motion, this electric field and magnetic field also won't depend on each other. Just remember that point. And study of this static magnetic field is known as magnetostatic. What is that? Magnetostatic. And this is also a vector quantity. As I told, this is more stronger than electric field, means it has also the power to attract or repel another charge towards it. Now what is the symbol of this magnetic field? B. Normally it is denoted as B. So like electric field, it is also having a formula that F equals to Q into V cross B. You know cross product, that cross product will apply here. Why? There are so many other logics here, and as in this video I am only giving their introduction. I won't go in details, but soon I will start our subject wise and chapter wise classes. In that videos I will cover everything in details. Next come to dynamic magnetic field. So as I told before, when the charge is at motion, along with electric field, it is surrounded by one more field which is known as magnetic field. And when the charge was at uniform velocity, this magnetic field was independent of time. But when the charge is at non-uniform velocity, this magnetic field will be dependent on time. That is, it will be time dependent. That magnetic field is known as dynamic magnetic field. And in that case, that electric field and magnetic field both will be dependent on each other, means both will be linked with each other. Combination of these two fields is known as electromagnetic field. And study of this electromagnetic field or electromagnetic force is known as electromagnetism. So here one more thing is there. Charge is at motion means moving charge is known as current. So we know there are two types of current: direct and alternating, that is AC or DC, AC and DC. So which can create a static magnetic field? DC. And which can create a dynamic magnetic field, or which is responsible for concept of electromagnetism, that is AC. Because AC we know it, this current itself is dependent on time. If you are confused about direct current and alternating current, I'll draw its waveform here to give you a simple understanding. What is this current? DC. This is the magnitude of current, X, suppose it is X, and this is T. You can see this current is independent of time. And what is AC? This is dependent on time. You can see with time its magnitude is constantly changing. So such current is responsible for the concept of electromagnetism. So guys, this much for today. Thank you all. I hope for all of your safety amid this pandemic.